Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in into your US bank account online. Whether you log in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official US Bank website. You can do this by typing usbank.com on your address bar and hit enter. Always make sure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing scam. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. They're gonna ask which type. You're gonna choose online banking. Then they're gonna ask for your username. On the login page, you have to type in your personal ID, username, password, and next enter your password. Be sure to type your password carefully to avoid any errors. Before clicking on the login button here, you have to listen to some security tips. Always use a secure network to access your bank information. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Ensure your device has updated antivirus software. Once you're ready, click on the login button. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your US bank account. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon.